Hi, welcome to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. I'm proud to announce the release of my Volume 5 cookbook, Gluten-Free Edition of Alkaline Electric Recipes from Ty's Conscious Kitchen. This contains over 50 new recipes like my chickpea tofu, chickpea fish and grits, teff sausage, empanadas, crepes, and also a gluten-free herb bread. And you can find this book in ebook and paperback form on my website, TysConsciousKitchen.com. I'd like to thank everyone for the love and their support. And as you know, as my recipes, they look delicious and they taste delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy your recipes. Thank you.